Episode 40 of Daughter's Daily Packs, where I let my daughter reach in this pile of Pokemon cards and pull me out a pack to open every day. Today she's picked Journey Together, which we have opened a couple of times in this series. We've hit a couple EX cards, but that illustration rare still eludes us, and we're gunning to get one, so we're going to keep opening until we hit one. And the dream pull here is a Clefairy, which hopefully we can add to that binder, which I'm going to give away at the end of the year should I hit 50,000 followers, so make sure you're following along so that can happen. And seeing as this binder could be yours at the end of the year, let me know what your favourite set is, and I'll try and add those packs into the basket for my daughter to pick out so we can open those. And today's addition to the binder is Tapu Koko EX card. Very nice for the binder. I love the sparkle on those EX cards. And finally a first hit for the page, and that's day 40 done, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 41.